Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a while since I posted on this channel, and I know a lot of you have been asking, Tessie, where are you? What's going on? Are you not going to give us a new video? I'm so sorry about that. I had a lot of things pop up and I had to attend and make sure I finish them before I come back to the YouTube channel. All right, if you don't know, I am currently doing my master's degree, and for the last 5 months I was required to write my master's degree thesis, so I had to really focus on that and make sure I finish that. But I'm really grateful that it's almost over, so I can come back to this channel and continue giving you value packed information about how to promote your online businesses and make money online. So today we'll be talking about a very important topic, and that topic is how to promote your Stakecut affiliate link without spending any money doing that. This is like a follow-up video to my last video where I taught you everything you need to know about Stakecut affiliate marketing program, and I'm going to be linking that video right up here. So this video is a follow-up from the comment section. I've got a lot of people in the comment section asking, how do I promote this link? Tessie, I've got this link, but how do I promote them? Who do I promote it to? How do I start making money with this link? So these are many more are lots of the questions I got from the last video. So I decided to use this video as a medium to address that. So in this video, we're going to be learning a lot of how you can promote your Stakecut affiliate link. If this is your first time of seeing me on YouTube, please do not forget, click on the subscription button below. Turn on your notification icon so that you get notified each time I publish a new video. One thing I'm going to promise you is that on this channel, I'm going to be giving you value-packed information, no misleading information. And if you've been seeing me on YouTube, please make sure to watch this video from the beginning to the end and share it with your friends, as this would be a good way for them to also get information and also help me to promote this channel. I can't have a lot of this information and only me will be watching it. That's not right? So let's get started. Without wasting much of your time, we're going to dive right straight into my laptop, and I'm going to show you exactly what you are. Okay, so now we're on my laptop screen, and I'm going to really show you how you can promote your Stakecut affiliate link. So the first thing we're going to do is to choose a platform. All right, for this video we're going to be choosing two major platforms. Number one is Facebook. Then number two is Quora. I know a lot of us have Facebook, right? So we're going to use what all of us have. The first thing we're going to do is head over to the Stakecut affiliate platform. I'm here on the Stakecut platform, so I'm just going to click on login, and then we'll go to the marketplace. This is what the marketplace looks like. There's a whole lot of programs right here you can promote. We have the affiliate marketing accelerator program, we have the self-publishing, we have the ultimate affiliate marketing system, we have the 30 days fast income challenge, we also have the video content workshop. There's a whole lot of course here that we want to promote. What I'm going to do is decide which of these courses to promote. For this tutorial, I'm just going to do the Upwork Mastermind. So I'm just going to click on it. Once you click on it, you're going to see it comes up here. The owner of the course is Akolede Ajibowu, and the price is $33.34. And we have the 50% commission. We're going to go ahead and copy this link. This is the link we are going to promote. This is the affiliate link we're going to promote. So what we're going to do is just go here, click on copy, and we have copied the link. The next thing we're going to do is to make the link look good so that it doesn't look scammy or spammy. To make our link look good, we are going to go over to tinyurl.com. This is where you customize your affiliate link so that it will look good. So I'm just going to go here and paste it, right? So we'll paste the link we copied from the other website, the Stakecut website, and we're going to go here and customize the back. You see these numbers we're seeing here. I don't want to see the numbers. I want them to look good. We've shortened the URL. You can see right now we have Upwork Mastermind for beginners. I'm just going to go ahead and copy it. We've already successfully copied it. So the next thing we're going to do is where the promotion starts. Now we have our link. The next thing we want to do is to start the promotion. But how do we do that? We don't have an audience on Facebook. We don't have an audience anywhere. So what are we going to do? I'm going to first of all start with Quora. I'm going to go over to Quora right here, and we're going to look at the platform and see what's going on right there. I do have an account, but if you don't have an account, you can just click on sign up. Okay, you have to sign up, and the sign up process is not difficult. Just if you see sign up, just put your email address and sign up. So what we're going to do here is going to come here and look for the questions people are asking. You can see that there's a whole lot of questions here that people are asking. They say, what's the easiest way to make money online? You could see this question has 15.4 thousand people following this question and has 9.6k answers. This person had answered this question and has like 142,000 views to the answers. You can go further and look at questions like, how can I make money in Nigeria? See this one now. How do I make online money from Nigeria? Click on this one. This person is asking it from Nigeria. What we are going to do is answer this question. And while we are answering this question, we're just going to put our link in this question. Go to ChatGPT, copy this same question that we're trying to answer, and go to ChatGPT, paste it, click on enter, and then we'll watch ChatGPT answer that question for us. So this is the question that we're trying to answer, and also promote our affiliate link while doing that. All right, so I'm just going to click right here, click on answer. I'm just going to right click and then I paste our answer. Okay, and then edit it a little bit to make it look good. Remember the link we copied from Tiny URL. If you've forgotten, we're just going to go and copy the link again from Tiny URL, and then we'll go back to Quora. This is where we have freelancing website. We click on it, and then we're going to have Upwork. Remember, we're promoting the Upwork mastermind, right? So we've written something like this. The next thing we're going to do is to put our link here. So when this person that is looking for how to make money online comes and our answer is, he or she sees our answer, they're going to, what is the easiest way to make money online? We write something like, making money online can be achieved through various methods. Then they read and they come down here and they see Upwork as a place to make money. So they are always going to see something like, click here to start making money online. You're just going to highlight it and then click on this button right here, so we can add link. We can bolden the text and we can make it italicized, and then click here to add your link. So he said enter URL. URL is like the link. So we click here and then we paste. You're done. We're going to go down again and do the same thing. We're going to come down here at the end and paste this same thing here, and we're going to highlight it and going to link it. All right, it's linked already, so we're going to click on post. So we're just going to view the thing that we've written and see how it works. So this is the answer we've written, make money online. This is the link we've added. We're just going to click on the link and see where it takes us. So if somebody wants to purchase this course, once they finish reading this answer and they think, oh, I want to buy this course, they click on it. This is where it brings us. Okay, this is the landing page of that course, and once they come here, they decide whether they see all these testimonials and they can decide to buy this course. And once they buy it, then you'd be able to get at least 50% of the commission, which is around $16 plus or so. That is how you do it on Quora.